I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by obtaining your Vonage API key and secret, and your virtual number if you need one. This gives you identity and billing. Once done, install the official SDK for your language. For Node use npm, for Python use pip, so you avoid raw HTTP handling. Make sure to place keys in environment variables or a secret manager to prevent leaks, because secure credentials are the foundation for every subsequent API call and webhook processing. Now implement the core calls. Initialize the Vonage client with your API key, secret, and optional application ID. You will call SDK methods to send an SMS, initiate a voice call, or request verify. This abstracts headers and retries. At the same time, register a webhook endpoint to receive delivery receipts and inbound messages, and validate signatures on inbound requests so you can trust the events. Once your endpoints respond with 200, you confirm the round-trip communication. To finish, deploy your service to staging and exercise full flows. Send an SMS, complete a call, and trigger a verify flow. Monitor logs for 4xx or 5xx responses, check rate limits and spending in the Vonage dashboard, and make sure your webhook endpoints are reachable over HTTPS with valid TLS. If things fail, first verify webhook signature validation, confirm server time is synced, and inspect quotas. Fixing those 3 resolves most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.